Okay guys, I'm gonna replace my coil intake. So I only take off here, and looks like gonna open the under cover, like under carriage cover. So I only took off some, and then here's the new new coil intake that I ordered from eBay basically. Then here's the air filter. There's some part, and they do come with adapter. Map sensor adapter, airflow sensor. So here is it. You don't have to worry about anything. They do provide a screw here, and then the cover. So let me open over here. Then should be pretty easy. Just lift it up and take off the cover, the Wrx Got, I guess, and then we should be able to take it off the air filter box, and then hand it back, then mark it, then let's see the sounds, how it sounds like. Alright, so we use the cover that you have to open here, 2 and 4. Then after that you should be good to go. And then just one clip down there. I think you can see that there one. Then you should be good. Alright, so we got 10 mm bolt, and then screwdriver, that's all. Yeah, that's the filter. I'm gonna take it off with the screw sensor, put it back top. Okay. So here's a long Allen key. Should be like this. Maybe. Okay. So I already put it up on the sensor. Should be go like this, I guess. So shorter, longer, shorter will be downside. And then top one will be this one. Wait, my bad. It should be like this. And then let's see how this thing fits. Right around this. Yeah. And outside downside. For now, I'm gonna put the new filter, red one, blue and red, not blue and blue. And we'll put this over here. Should be pretty easy. Okay. But for the back, we do have the issue. For the here's the nut, and here. So for this one, we're gonna take off the ground cable over here. Here. Okay, I'm gonna take it off that one. Oh, I'm gonna need the. Oh, long tape. So right now I'm gonna put it back, screw and the wire. Don't forget to put it back when you take out the screw. It should be right. around here. And then before you bolt tight, make sure you put on the other side. Wait. Which one is it? Okay. I don't know. Okay. So we already tied this one, and now gonna put back the filter. And it should be just plug it. And let me tie it back. Should be pretty easy. Okay, should be like this. Okay. Alright. อาหารต่อไปมา This one.
Come on, man. Come on, baby boy.
Sigole. 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 Oh, okay. Yeah, probably that's the video for now. Stay tuned. We're gonna put the iPhone style light, center light. So it's not bad. Alright. Not bad, the songs, you know, but you can hear the intact noise. Let's go this way.